Apple introduces iPhone 17 series, a bold redesign with models for every user.
iPhone 17 is incredible. Here's Cayenne to tell you more. Now, let's talk about iPhone. Today, we're raising the bar once again with an all-new iPhone lineup that's unlike anything we've ever created. We're introducing 4 new models, each designed to serve the unique needs of our users. And it starts now.
At its awe-dropping annual event on September 9th, 2025, Apple unveiled the most significant iPhone redesign in years, the iPhone 17 series. This lineup includes 4 distinct models tailored to varying user needs, from ultra-sleek portability to pro-grade performance. iPhone Air, the thinnest iPhone yet. Featherweight build, at just 5.6 millimeters thick and crafted from spacecraft-grade titanium, the iPhone Air sets a new standard for slim design in smartphones. Display, a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR screen with 120Hz refresh ensures smooth visuals. Performance, powered by Apple's brand-new A19 Pro chip, along with the in-house C1X 5G modem and N1 wireless chip supporting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread, it achieves improved connectivity performance. Camera, equipped with a 48MP Fusion main rear camera and 18MP center stage front camera, it supports dual front and rear capture. Pricing and availability starts at $999. Pre-orders begin September 12th, with availability from September 19th. iPhone 17, the refined everyday all-rounder. Key upgrades. Features a 6.3-inch ProMotion display, up to 120 Hz, Ceramic Shield 2 with scratch and glare resistance, and a contoured, durable frame. Camera enhancements. Both rear cameras now use 48MP Fusion sensors, with improvements in ultra-wide and macro photography. The front camera also receives an 18MP center stage update, allowing front and back video capture. Connectivity. Comes with the in-house N1 chip, enabling Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread for smoother performance. Battery and charging. Offers improved all-day battery life, up to 30 hours of video playback, and charges to 50% in just 20 minutes with a high-watt adapter. Entry storage doubled. Now starts at 256 gigabytes, up from the previous base of 128 gigabytes. Price and launch begins at $799. Pre-orders begin September 12th, with availability on September 19th. iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Pro Performance Unleashed. Design and build. Abandoning titanium in favor of a thermally efficient aluminum unibody with integrated vapor chamber, delivering a clean, robust, and performance-optimized chassis. A 19 Pro Power, equipped with Apple's most powerful chip to date for iPhone, featuring advanced energy efficiency and performance. Pro Camera Systems. Triple 48MP Fusion cameras, main, ultra-wide, telephoto with 8 times optical zoom capacity. Innovative 18MP square center stage front sensor. Professional video tools, ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2, Genlock, Dolby Vision HDR 4K at 120 frames per second. Battery improvements, longest battery life ever. Pro, up to 33 hours of video playback. Pro Max, up to 39 hours. Also supports 50% charge in 20 minutes. eSIM only in multiple markets, prioritizing flexibility and security. Sustainable design. Uses 30% recycled materials and adheres to Apple's 2030 carbon neutral goal. Storage options. iPhone 17 Pro, up to 1 terabyte. iPhone 17 Pro Max, up to 2 terabytes, a first for iPhones. Pricing and launch starts at $1,099 Pro and $1,199 Pro Max. Pre-orders from September 12th, available September 19th. Connectivity and pricing context. Wireless innovation. All models benefit from the chef-designed N1 chip, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, Thread, and the C1X 5G modem, enhancing speeds and connectivity compared to previous generations. Pricing breakdown. iPhone 17, $799. iPhone Air, $999. iPhone 17 Pro, $1,099. Pro Max, $1,199. Apple's iPhone 17 series represents its most dramatic design evolution since 2019, delivering innovation across the spectrum. From the ultra-slim, titanium-laden iPhone Air to the powerhouse Pro models with pro-grade imaging and performance, Apple ensures there's a compelling choice for everyone, whether you prioritize sleekness, mainstream improvements, or cutting-edge capabilities. Pre-orders begin Friday, September 12, 2025. Ships to customers and stores Friday, September 19, 2025. That's it for today's TechTide news. Thanks for watching. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech stories coming your way.